Right, let's take a look at the life map. This screen is designed to help on three fronts: insight, reflection, and learning. Starting with insight, the life map gives you the ability to see where your time and energy is being spent across your 13 categories. The scores and levels are driven by the number and type of activities you have recorded on the activity screen. The more complete a picture you give InfinAI of your activities, the greater the interaction there will be between the activity and life map screens, and the more there'll be for you to see. You will notice that every time you complete an item on the activity screen, you are awarded a score. These are added together to create a level for each category, which you can see displayed in the center of each planet as a number. For me, you can see that I'm level 23 in social, level 1 in finance, and level 8 in intellect. This brings us to reflection. The life map provides a single holistic viewpoint of where you are. It's easy to see which categories are taking priority, and you can ask yourself, are these the areas you want to be focusing on? Do you feel your time is being well spent in these areas? Are there other areas that are being neglected as a consequence? Perhaps there are some categories you would like to focus on a little more. My top 3 categories are health, social, and home care. While health and social are definitely key priorities, I would say that intellect, enterprise, education, and play are more important to me than home care. So InfinAI is showing me that perhaps I need to divert some attention to those areas. InfinAI is ultimately prompting me to ask myself the question, is this really who I am today? And am I moving in the right direction for who I want to be tomorrow? Finally, to the reinforced learning. Every time you accumulate 100 points in a category, you will level up. Your reward, or challenge, sits within the pulsating yellow sun. Clicking on this will present an exercise for you to answer, taken from a best-selling author in the Learning Journal. In this case, mine is chapter 1 of How to Be Interesting. Read the question and answer in the glowing field. Select a mood and score yourself in terms of how you feel about the exercise, save, and then hit done. I've cheekily pre-prepared my answer. For further details and examples on how to use the exercises, see our intro video to the Learning Journal. Completing your first 10 activities will trigger a self-test questionnaire, which will appear on the next occasion you visit the screen. You can take the test to see how well you really know yourself. The questionnaire will then be available every 2 weeks thereafter. A final point worth noting is the master level in the center of the screen. This is the total score of all your categories added together to provide you with an overall count. Here you level up every 1,000 points, and I'm currently Master Level 16, with a little over 16,000 points. Again, this will give you a chance to track your progress and reflect on your overall direction, self-awareness, and rate of travel. Having used the platform for a while, I broadly know that 250 points is a good week, and 500 is a great one. And together, all of those different aspects of the life map help us better understand where we are right now and where we're heading at what rate.